Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make egg juice updated. Start by selecting fresh eggs and cold milk, then wash hands and sanitize surfaces. Crack 3 eggs into a chilled bowl and whisk until slightly frothy. Add 1 cup milk, sweetener to taste, and any optional flavor like vanilla or cocoa. Blend briefly for a silky texture, then chill before serving for best flavor and safety. Gather ingredients and prep tools: 3 fresh eggs, 1 cup milk, sweetener, a whisk or blender, and a fine strainer. Chill all liquids in bowls to keep mixture cold. Measure sweetener precisely, like 1 to 2 teaspoons, and decide on optional flavors such as 1 teaspoon vanilla or 1 tablespoon cocoa. Crack eggs cleanly into a bowl, separate if desired, and inspect for shells before proceeding to whisk or blend. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay cozy while you whisk and won't slow you down. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Whisk or blend for 30 to 60 seconds until the mixture is smooth and lightly frothy, then taste and adjust sweetener. Strain through a fine sieve to remove chalazi and any stray shell bits for a silky mouthfeel. For safety, keep egg juice refrigerated and consume within 48 hours, or pasteurize gently if you prefer extra caution. Always use fresh eggs and clean utensils to minimize risk and ensure a pleasant result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.